In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Affirm virtual card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is open up the latest version of the Affirm mobile app on your phone. When you open up the app, you will be able to use the search function to look for the specific store that you want to browse items in. You don't have to pick the specific store, maybe because you don't find it from the list or simply you don't want to go to the store page. All you have to do is select the Pay Later at any store at the top of the screen when you use the search function. When you select Pay with a one-time use virtual card, as you can see over here, you will be prompted to include the amount that you want to spend. This card you will be able to use in-store or online. So in here, make sure to include the exact amount of the purchase that you want to make, with tax and shipping included if necessary. Once you click continue after you input the purchase amount, Affirm will see if you are eligible to have the card, and if everything looks in order, you will get the card and all its details. All you have to do after is select Save to your phone if you wish to save it to a virtual wallet like Google Pay or the Apple Wallet. Keep in mind that this card is one-time use only and it expires after 24 hours, so it's very important that you only generate this card when you are ready to make your payment. With the details of the card in hand, you can open up any store or go in store and make any payment that you wish using the credentials of this card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Affirm virtual card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.